You ready to go film a YouTube video?
I think you're missing something. Coffee?
Yeah, we'll make coffee first.
Okay.
See? Good plan.
It's perfect. Hey everyone, this is Lindy.
I'm Russell.
From Love, Create, Celebrate. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're sharing 10 awesome gifts that we made on our Glowforge.
Yeah, we really put it through the paces this time. We tried draft board, leather, proof grade, not proof grade, wood, acrylic.
And we made gifts for pretty much everyone on our list, from expectant parents and babies to grandparents.
To your family pet.
So you should find something in this video. I think they're all really cool. I'm excited for you guys to see what we made.
If you don't know what a Glowforge is, it's a laser printer that can etch and cut and engrave various types of materials. And for the first project, what we did was actually engraved a map onto draft board.
So you've probably seen some of those map posters around. The idea for this project actually came from my brother, who thought this would look really cool on wood or draft board. So the process for all of these projects is generally the same. You just need a PDF or a PNG file, upload it into the Glowforge dashboard, and then you can cut or engrave or score onto whatever medium you're using.
You can also get SVG files if someone's already created the whole process, but this is us kind of coming up with our own custom stuff. But there are SVGs that you can buy and just drop them into your dashboard and you're good to go. So the map, yeah, I think it turned out really cool. It's 100% customizable, like in regards to how you want to show it. If you want to put a little heart where you live, like I think it could be a really cool gift, and it's unique. It's not something you just buy at a box store. This definitely says we made this, or I made this for you. Or
you can do your hometown, where you live now, where you got engaged, where you met.
Where you bought your first truck, right?
Maybe.
So you know what I really find frustrating? When you wake up on Christmas morning, there's all these stockings above your fireplace and you don't know whose they are.
He's making fun of me because I wanted to make stocking name tags that are beautiful. They look awesome.
They look good.
These stocking name tags are something I've wanted for a long time. I got new stockings this year and I wanted to put name tags on them. So I designed these modern, minimal looking stocking tags, and I'll have them on the mantle, and I think they look pretty awesome.
They do look good. I mean, to be fair, Santa has no excuse for putting things in the wrong spot now, so.
I think you could gift these to anyone. I really think you could sell these really easily. Put your own custom design spin on it.
And it's fast to like cut.
So fast.
Customize, and shipping is easy because they're flat.
You can print so many on one piece of leather. I think they look pretty good.
Yeah, they really turned out great.
We were trying to think of something unique to gift Russell with this, and I thought the most annoying thing I can think of is that Russell just leaves his tools all over the place.
That's a really great way to start with a gift idea.
We're making you a way to collect them.
Oh, okay, fair enough. What annoys you the most about your significant other, and then make
fix
a
it
gift?
with the Glowforge.
Yeah, fix it with the Glowforge. The tool holder was really cool because you can customize it really easily for the specific tool you want to put in it. And with the wood construction, it's actually pretty tough.
Yeah. So you could either make like generic ones that would fit a variety of tools that you could sell to people, or customize it to your own space.
Yes, which is like the customizing is cool because those are generally holders you can't buy in the store. So, and we even put our logo on it, which was kind of neat.
The next thing we made were these little baby milestone cards. I actually already know who I am gifting these to. They're so cute.
It's totally something you would have bought with our babies.
Yeah, I definitely would have. I don't think these were around. They weren't a thing when I had kids, but I love them. So easy to make, so easy to sell.
The next one, again, was a super simple and actually small, like you could use waste material to kind of cut it out, but Lindy wanted kind of a custom looking plant stand, and so we again went to the drafting program, drew up some stuff, and it's only 3 pieces and they click together. You can glue them, but they actually stay together well without the glue.
kind of a mid-century modern vibe, which I love, especially when you use the walnut. Looks really good. For anyone that likes home decor or plants on your Christmas list. We have a few more gifts to go through. Our favorite we are saving till the end, but we wanted to make sure to let you guys know that if you're interested in a Glowforge machine, we do have a discounted referral code in the description box below. That referral code is the best deal you're gonna get on a Glowforge. I know for sure that they do not do any kind of Black Friday deals or anything like that before Christmas.
And I think from talking with Glowforge, I think they even have decent stock right now. So now's the time to order, because I know when we got ours, it was actually a bit of a wait because they were so popular.
So if you want it for Christmas.
I mean, it's literally the gift that keeps on giving. Right? Yeah. It is.
Gift a small business to your loved one.
Or yourself.
Or yourself. That's what I would do.
This is my favorite project from this round. Is we actually made a bunch of little miniature houses, and I mean, you could use these for decor, but what I'm excited about is to give them to our kids so they can play with them with the train set or with the cars, because I mean, if these were around when I was small, that would have been awesome.
We're basically gifting them a little town. We also made a high-rise and a garage building, and we're planning to make some more, but they're not ready for this video, so stay tuned for our children gift video. The houses required a little bit more work on the drafting side because you have to intricately link everything together. But once we had that figured out, it was easy to scale that into different buildings. These little houses are great for this little city. Our kids have already seen them and love them. They're also great for decor, in my opinion. We printed some in walnut. I like the idea of putting some little tea lights in them, putting them on the shelf and having those little houses with a little Christmas glow, or even putting hooks in the top and making them into ornaments, I think would be an amazing idea too.
And the walnut, again, for whatever reason, we love everything we do in walnut, but it gives it a really nice look and kind of more of a showy. It's too fancy for kids.
Since we're gifting these little city houses to our son, we also wanted to make something for our girls, and I made these little leather wristlets. Super, super easy to make and mass produce if you wanted to. Easy to personalize. I put their names on them, and I'm going to attach them to some little pouches that will go in their stockings. I already know they're gonna love them. We used a rose gold leather that they're also gonna love. It's just cute. It's something feminine. Hang your bag on your wrist, and
personalized is kind of neat.
Anything personalized is neat.
So the next one is the, what was I say before? Hashtag Grandpa and Grandma Goldmine gift. Lindy actually, she came up with this one, is she got the kids, our older kids, to do a little sketch of kind of a Christmas scene, and then we took that and you can put it on your Glowforge bed, and then the Glowforge camera can trace it out or like kind of capture that image. Then you can take that image and engrave it onto wood or acrylic. I mean, even leather if you wanted to.
So I really love the idea of putting it on acrylic, because then when there are ornaments on the trees, the kind of twinkle lights will shine through and you can see their design through. I think they're pretty cool. I'm pretty sure any grandparent or, I mean, the kids were even very excited about it.
Well, we are making 2 sets now because Lindy wants a set, which is, I mean, it's cool. It's a neat memory.
A set for my parents and a set for us.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have to do one for my mom too.
3 sets. This is another project for home decor lovers. I cut leather again and made some napkin rings. I actually designed these years ago and cut them out in a different way. But once I had the Glowforge, I knew that this would be a faster and easier way to do it, and that I could personalize them, which I really liked.
And a cleaner cut, like they came out really nice. I mean, it looks like something you'd buy from a store.
Yeah,
how
100%.
Polished they are, but you can have them with your name. So
these are great gifts for someone too.
Yeah. So this next one we're pretty excited about, and what we ended up making was a house cat house.
Was a house cat house?
House cat. We actually made a little house for our cat. I mean, a big house for our big cat.
This is the only project that we used the pass-through on for our gifts. So there's a little bit of a learning curve there.
And part of that might have been because I didn't use proof grade material. Actually, to be fair, I only had one piece that didn't line up, but I was able just to sand it to make it fit, and you can't even tell now.
Yeah.
So.
As soon as we had it assembled, the cats were already in it.
I mean, if it fits, it sits, is what the cats, I think that's the cat thing.
I would have no problem displaying this little cat house somewhere because it's really cute, modern looking, and the cats actually enjoy it.
This was also the final stage of operation. Cats live in the house from the garage.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let us know what your favorite gift was in the comments below. And if you have any questions about the Glowforge or want to learn more, this is definitely the video to watch.